Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down,
A.
falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair
B.
lady. Build it up with sticks and stones.
C.
Sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones.
D.
My fair lady.
E. F. G.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down.
H.
Sticks and stones will all fall down,
I.
my fair lady. Build
J.
it up with wood and clay, wood and
K.
clay, wood and clay. Build it up with
L.
wood and clay, my fair lady.
M. N. O.
Wood and clay will wash away,
P.
wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away,
Q.
my fair lady. Build it up with
R.
iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and
S.
steel. Build it up with iron and steel,
T.
my fair lady.
U. V. W.
Iron and steel
X.
will bend and bow, bend and bow,
Y.
bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my
C.
fair lady.
1.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down,
2.
falling down. London Bridge is falling down,
3.
my fair lady.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. 1 cat sleeps. 2 birds fly. 3 dogs play. 4 cars go. 5 flowers bloom. 6 kids laugh. 7 butterflies dance. 8 monkeys jump. 9 fish swim. 10 balloons pop. Please like and subscribe to my channel.